Let's understand how we can work with linear algebra with the help of Numpy Library and with the help of Scipy Library. Numpy library is used for mathematical operations, basic mathematical operations, and Scipy library is used for mathematical operations but complex mathematical operations like integration, differentiation, and matrices kind of stuff. So to work with linear algebra, we have to import our two libraries, and we will do that by saying import numpy as np, which will import numpy as np. And we don't want whole Scipy library, we want lin_alg from Scipy library. So we will say from Scipy library import lin_alg, which stands for linear algebra. Let's make an variable. Let's say we make a variable matrix, and we equate it to or assign our value or data to this variable. And we will do that by saying np.array. This will make an array of data, and I'm providing some random data here between the parentheses in square brackets, and np stands for numpy here. And after that, if we want to see our data, all we have to do is say matrix, and it will give us 2 by 2 matrix. After that, if you want to see the type of matrix, it will only take few keywords. Let's say type in parentheses matrix, and it will show you which type of matrix it is. And if you want to invert the matrix, which is inverse the matrix, we will say lin_alg, which is linear algebra, dot inverse inv, which is inverse in parentheses matrix, and this will give you a inverse of our matrix variable or our data which is stored in matrix variable. And that's how we work with linear algebra with the help of Numpy and Scipy library.